Hi. Now, this is Gypsy Maggie Rose. I've been asked a couple of questions, and some things are not as easily clarified as one would think. The first question I've been asked about is repetitive bad dreams. When I teach dream therapy or work with dream therapy, the first thing I say is, yes, you need to keep a journal. You need to keep a journal of many things. Yes, absolutely record your dreams. But let's get back to a bad dream. You've had a really rotten bad dream. What is the first things I would ask if I was analyzing, looking for an answer for this dream? And these are the things that you need to ask yourself and record an answer to. First, what did you eat before you went to bed that night? Was it a heavy meal? Was it a spicy meal? Did it contain cheese? Cheese are notorious for bad dreams. Did it contain bananas? What did your nighttime meal contain? And how long before sleeping did you eat? First question. Next question. Question number 2. What did you drink? Was it an alcoholic beverage? Was it a caffeinated beverage? And this includes, your physical drinks, your tea, your coffee. Was it hot chocolate? What was involved? What did you drink? Okay, question 3. Did you do the naughty thing and have a little bit of enhancing situations to sort of add to the pot, so to speak? Now, okay, question number 4. What did you do before you went to bed? Did you watch TV? Did you watch a DVD? Did you read a book? What was the contents therein? All of these things are triggers, and they react in our mind. We store information on a second-by-second basis. Our brain is literally that sponge. It soaks it all up, and the subconscious feeds it back to us and feeds us back situations to deal with. These result more times than not in bad dreams. You could have had a movie experience that was a bit shaky 3 to 4 months, maybe up to a year before, and then suddenly your subconscious will spit it up in a bad dream for you to deal with. Bad dreams are reactions mostly to substances of some kind, and mostly to stimuli that we've received in our lives. So I'm saying, don't take a bad dream as a prophetic dream. It's often something, a situation that we need to deal with on a subconscious level. Usually it's about our belief systems, how we relate to people, how people relate to us. And sometimes if you're so cross and so angry with a person or a situation, or you can't deal with it in the waking state, you will literally chop them to pieces in the sleep state. There was a tribe in Malaysia not centuries, but just a short while, and they taught dream incubation, dream sleep. The olden days mystery schools had dream temples where you would go and literally dream. You would put yourself into a state. They would induce a state of dreaming reality so that you could deal with dreams. Children of old were taught to fight their demons in their sleep, to stand up to monsters which were in fact visuals of a feeling, of a vibration that they dealt with through the day. And they would, for instance, if someone was afraid of, they'd been hit a lot, or they were afraid of violence in their life, into their dream would come a great monster. And this monster represented the act. And in the dream, they were taught in the waking state that when they dreamed, to take up a stick or a sword or something and battle and chop this monster to bits, to stand up to it. And basically it was about facing fears. I'm not sure if there are any schools who teach how to do this. But if you write it all down and analyze it all, you'll see where your bad dreams fit into your lifestyle. If it goes beyond a lifestyle and it's a repetitive same as bad dream, then you need to analyze it, and then you need to try and find someone who's going to help you understand what that dream means, what it brings to you. I mean, in today's world, the Twilight series, for instance, they're about werewolves and vampires, and it's all very, very soft. But the collective memory of vampire movies and werewolf movies were not soft. They were some of the original horror stories, and that's held in the mass consciousness. And it's filtered through. It's like what may be soft and sweet and lovely now does not have a soft, sweet, lovely past. Obviously not reality, but it is reality to your subconscious. So be careful of what you watch, be careful of what you allow your eyes to see and your ears to hear, because this becomes part of your dreaming reality. Now hopefully this will have clarified things a little bit for some, and probably confused the living bejesus out of the rest of you. But, try the exercise and see where it takes you. Take care. BB.